pelikula. Buksan na natin ang habag para sa mga katanungan manggagaling sa mga kapatid natin sa media.
Okay, mauna ako.
Sabihin lang ang pangalan, may microphone dyan, at inyong affiliation.
Ano na, bukas na to.
Alright. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Arlo Custodio from the Manila Times, Senator. I always cover your events, lalong-lalo yung Christmas. So I've been covering that for 2 years now. So now you have this another endeavor. So congratulations for it. My question really, Senator, is, syempre ang purpose nito is to amass funds, di ba, for the program, to gather funds for the program. So I'm just curious kung yung concert last Christmas with Kuli Desma, meron ba tayong estimate figure kung magkano yung nag-gather, and then what is your expected figure for this?
Yung last event, November yun.
Yes.
November 23, we raised 2 million pesos.
Oh, congratulations.
Pero namumulekta po kami doon sa iba.
Pledges.
But anyway, makukolekta naman. No? And that, ang ginagawa namin, kina-counterpart yan sa mga NGOs. If they adopt one, we can give another one. So they will adopt two. Ay, ganun ang sistema. Okay? Pati yung reporting system, we're perfecting it. So that for every mother that is adopted, yung mukha niya, naka-record, then may diary yung mother. Kung ano yung prenatal visits niya to the doctor, yung intervention sa pagkain, wineweigh yung monthly, wineweigh yung bata, may diary hanggang sa dumating sa second birthday. And then after that, magka-graduation na yung nanay together with other nanays. And doon nakita namin in some of the projects that we have undertaken, ang lulusot ng mga bata. At medyo may delikadong kaunti. May delikado. Kasi yung nanay lalong gumanda.
Nag-ibulsog.
Yung mga marahuyo na naman yun. May love na naman yung hasma. Mabuti naman yun. Pigil lang konti. Okay, so that's, yes.
So for this project, parang ganun din?
Yeah, kahit na 1 million, 2 million maka-raise kami for the city of Manila NGOs. Kasi we're gathering all the NGOs also in the city of Manila. Yung mga local chapter ng national. So lahat ng NGOs din dito sa City of Manila, baka may NGO kang kinabibilangan. Then, mag-member na. Then, kahit na isang nanay na paalam. May program naman and we will explain. May training program ito. May training, ine-train namin yung mga NGO, focal person who will be involved in the first 1,000 days of life. Para alam talaga nila kung ano yung gagawin, including coordination with the barangay.
Thank you, sir. So we expect mamaya na may sample ng kantahan niya.
Ang main, siyempre, ang rainmakers, no? Okay, and then si Alison, talagang mga special guests, including myself.
Of course.
Ako special. Ako ay, malaki.
Most awaited station.
Okay, sige. Stars. Pero nasa ibang generation ng kasama ko eh. The Letterman. The Young Warwick. Si Pitula Clark, hindi mo naman kilala yun eh.
Pitula.
Hindi mo.
Sino her song?
Standards.
The moment I wake up.
Pitula Clark. When you are alone. Okay. Anyway, we will have samples. From Rainmakers. Okay, sample kayo ha.